Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So yesterday, the pound dollar made a very, very strong move to the downside. Well, it started last week, but yesterday it kind of continued down. I definitely do see a five-wave structure now, so we might be ending a wave A. If it does end the wave A, then most likely the next move would be a correction to the whole wave A. So if we get a correction to the whole wave A, I would probably expect to see something like this, probably a nice uptrend for an A or B, probably a correction to the A for the wave B, and then probably another push up for wave C. I would expect this move up to likely be a correction to the last trend down, which is why we put our Fibonacci retracement on there. We look for some sort of an Elliot wave corrector pattern, most likely up to one of these higher mid-range Fibonacci's, like the 78, the 61, and the 50%. Then if we do see three waves up, if we do see a nice Fibonacci bounce, then that would definitely make for a really nice sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. Possibly an A, possibly a B, and then likely back down for a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.